Welcome to my channel. Look at the total devastation of my sunflowers from the wind that was associated with this rain. This one fell completely and crushed some other things. And then all those are almost over. Those have really been, I mean, they're still standing, but at least the solo one is up there. Let me show you. And then back here, my sorghum, that one just snapped completely off. See, I don't even know where it came from. Oh, it was this one. I was going, I might be able to pull those forward. And then these, yeah, that one is over. I'm gonna wait for my husband to get home to try to pull these back. She got knocked around a lot. This is safe. The corn is standing. I don't know how. Look at the Job's tears. Yeah, I would say devastation. Those are sunflowers, not the... These are all sunflowers that got knocked over. I know we can fix those. I'm going to look at her. They will be repaired. I'm gonna have them standing back up. I'm gonna get some rods today. And as long as they not snap like that one, I should be able to. They're just leaning over on the other tree and on this line. And then these just took the brunt of everything over here. I mean, it's just devastating. I might be able to get those up too because they're not snapped, but these things are all crushed by them. Look at that. Let me see how those are over there. If, like I said, if they snap, they're gonna get pulled down. Should have known. Let's see here. Yep. Snapped. I can get some support and repair her. I think I can do it, but I will need help. So, I've not been this close to these. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all gonna get repaired. Look at these. It's kind of depressing, but I'll do what I can to help them. They need it. What else got knocked over back in here? These. I was like, oh, we need rain, yay. But look, it just knocked all this stuff over. But like I said, I'll get it. I'll fix everything. And then I'll bring you guys an update in my next video. You know, like, share, and subscribe, y'all. As the garden turns. Now you see why I call it that, as the garden turns. So, again, like and subscribe. Bye, everybody.